In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram's Reels Watch History option not showing. Okay, let's see how to fix it. At first, open your Play Store app and click on search option. Search for Instagram. Click here Instagram. Click here. Instagram update is available. Go back to home screen. Open your Instagram app on your device. Now click on profile icon and now click on three-line menu option. Now scroll down. Click on help option. Click on report a problem. Click on back and check phone. Now click on report option. Click on including and continue. And finally your problem fix it. Click on screenshot or upload. Now click on send option. Finally your problem solved. Now watch history option showing. Thank you.